everyone, Tim Schofield here, and I just finished unboxing the new phones from Samsung, the Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5. I can link to those videos in the description below, but now it's time to check out their new smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now they brought back the Classic model, which has their signature rotating bezel on it, so I'll give you a close look at that. We will take a quick look at what comes inside the box, and then of course, set it up, get some hands-on with the new Watch 6 Classic from Samsung. Let's get started. And here it is, the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Also, quick note, I will link to the order down in the description of the video below. There's actually trade-in value you can do, and you get a bonus for pre-ordering. Opening up the box, there is our watch, and up towards the top here, looks like we do have some booklets. You get your standard quick start guide plus a USB Type-C charger with a magnetic charger. I'll show off that magnet in just a second. And on to what you came to see. The Watch 6 Classic does have that dial. Really happy that that is back. Just a closer look at the band and the back of it. Also want to point out the mechanism for popping this off is really simple. You just press the button and it, pops on out. It's right in the middle there. If you want to attach it back on, you can do so. Again, there are a bunch of different bands to choose from. Just a quick look at this very premium looking watch. You do have two buttons on the side. And again, this dial does spin. It has numbers on the inside, just outside that face. Anyways, we are going to turn the watch on and get everything all set up. So I grabbed my Galaxy Z Flip 5 and it actually popped up right away. However, I also went into the Galaxy Wearable app to get it all connected and set up. It does ask which wrist you plan to put the watch on and where the button position is. I always wear mine on the left wrist, always on display, which will have the display on so you can check the time. Lets you know if you press the home button 5 times, you can call emergency services, track your daily activity, understand your sleep, and get better rest. I'm pretty excited to test this out. There are heart rate zones for pacing yourself while you're running and just other metrics for your running. You can take an ECG and obviously get your heart rate done as well. And we're all set. The watch is starting up. Let's run through just a couple settings within the app. You can customize your different watch faces and even just the colors of specific ones. Going to the app screen, touch and hold to rearrange some of your apps. There are tiles that you can have. Again, you can add or get rid of specific tiles if you don't happen to use them. And your quick panel, if there's any quick shortcuts that you don't use, maybe you never turn on power saving mode, you can just get rid of that. Also, going into watch settings, there's modes, customizing your notifications, the always on display, like I did mention, brightness of the screen, turn bezel to wake is an option, and even the timeout of the screen. You can use it to make payments, setting up your wallet, going to advanced features, double pressing the home button goes to the most recent apps. However, you can customize what that shortcut actually does. Pressing and holding as well if you want it to power off menu or Bixby. There's other gestures for quick launch or answering calls. If you do quick launch, you'll see it's sort of a knocking gesture. Answering calls is kind of shaking your arm twice to answer a phone call. This is the 47 millimeter. However, you also can get it in 43 millimeters if you'd like a little bit smaller size. And I have to say, right away, I really do like this Super AMOLED display, protected by sapphire crystal. This model has a 1.5-inch screen and fairly minimal bezels, honestly. And the bezels being used as a dial is super nice. It gives you some great feedback, just a little bit of a vibration when you reach the end of your pages. And this is what it looks like on my wrist overall. You can press and hold on the screen and it will get to all of your different clock faces that you can customize or add quick ones so you can swap them on the fly. It's just, it's a really easy and a convenient way to maybe say, hey, I'm going to a workout, I want a different watch face, etc. If you swipe from the left, that will get you to your notifications. I don't have any right now. Again, you can go through your different pages that I already showed that you can customize. You can do your body composition, your sleep schedule, shows the weather here in Seoul. Swiping down from the top will get you to those quick shortcuts that I also mentioned to you. And if you turn on the flashlight, it just really brightens the screen up and you can, shine it around, and then pressing this button will just bring you back home. If we do swipe up, it gets us to all of the various applications that we do have installed and can use with our watch. Quick look at the underside. There's a ton of sensors built in. It's very impressive to get that many sensors in a watch of this size. And just for the sake of the video, I want to see if you can hopefully hear the dial. Anyways, that's everything I want to talk about for now with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic from Samsung. More to come. I'm going to test out the sleep, body composition. I'm going to do some workouts with this and give you some feedback. So be sure to click that subscribe button so you're notified when that video goes live. Be sure to click the thumbs up button as well. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching.